You an American Express credit card holder that has had their membership with American Express for years and you are in good standing with this financial institution? Well, maybe this video might be for you if you're looking at trying to get a personal loan for whatever life expenses that you might have going on. You might want to consolidate some debt. You might want to do some home improvements. You might want to take that much needed vacation before the summer is out, or whatever life is lifing. This might be the video, so don't you click off. Let's talk about this personal loan that you can get if you are an American Express card holder. Welcome back to the Starr Personal Finance channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I hope you stick around and be a subscriber. Make sure you guys are cutting on your notification, liking the video, commenting, sharing, doing all those good things that help promote the channel, help push the channel out. And you do all this for free. You be showing me some love, and I love you back by giving you all this free content. So thank you so much. Let's get into today's video. I joined the American Express family back in November of 2021 when I got the Amazon Business Prime credit card that is by American Express. And since then, I have gotten 4 other American Express cards, with the American Express being the card that I use the most for everyday spending with all the different categories. So if you are an American Express card holder, do you know that you probably get a lot of emails from American Express letting you know what kind of offers they have that you might can activate on your card, that you can give you discounts at retail stores, restaurants, travel, and all those type of things. So a lot of times when I get some of my American Express emails, I don't open up every email. But this particular email, I did decide to open up and see, because they got me with a 48-month repayment plan. I was like, okay, what's this about? So inside of this email was just letting me know that I was pre-approved for one of their personal loans that could go anywhere from 12 months all the way up to 48 months and all the way up to $40,000, with the minimum being only $3,500. So I said, sure, let's see. So I just clicked on the check the offer button, went on inside, and because I'm already an American Express card holder, all I had to do was sign in and all the other information populated. So once I put in all the other information, like it wanted me to update what my monthly rent or mortgage is, and it wanted me to update what my income is, and after that, it showed me an offer, and my offer was for $10,000. And because I do want to do some improvements to my room where I do a lot of my lives for the channel, I said, well, this might be an opportunity for me to do it without putting on my credit card. It's something that I could pay over time that can also strengthen my credit score and my relationship with American Express. So I did. I wound up taking out a $3,600 loan with them, and it took them less than 24 hours to fund this loan. And the sweet part is about it, guys, because I'm already an American Express card holder, there was no impact to my Experian credit score at all. Even after I did the pre-approval and they checked my offer, it still was not a hard pull. Now, I do keep my Experian credit report always frozen, but any other time that I have applied for an American Express card, I've never gotten a hard pull since the first 2 initial hard pulls that I got, that I talked about in the previous channel that I'll link above. So once I got those 2 hard pulls back in 2021, I haven't received any hard pulls, and this personal loan was no different. There was no impact to my credit score because there was no hard inquiry to hit my credit score. So that's the first part. The second part is they did not ask for any proof of income. So I did not have to provide any documentation on what the amount was that I put. But I always tell you, American Express is one of those people that you don't want to lie to, because if they ever call your card, you could lose your whole relationship with them. So you never want to lie on your application with them. But either way, they did not ask me for any proof of income. Once I accepted my loan terms, I looked at all the different paperwork and everything, and I set it up for auto pay. So that was another thing. So I don't have to worry about it. All I have to do is just make sure that I have the money sitting in my checking account for it to auto pay every month for the set terms that I put on the loan. And also, it was so easy just to sign my loan agreement with just my signature, because they already have my information, because I already have a relationship with them since 2021. So it made it so very simple. So you may have an email yourself sitting out there telling you that you have an offer, because unfortunately, this is an invitation only type of loan. So if they sent you an invitation saying that you're pre-approved, 9 times out of 10, you're going to get approved, even though the email says it's not guaranteed. From everything that I've seen, from all the data points that I've seen, almost everybody that gets this email does get approved. So you might want to sign into your American Express dashboard and click on personal loans to see if there is an offer out there for you if you're interested in getting a personal loan with them, because they made it so simple, guys. I'm telling you, this is one of the simplest personal loans I have ever gotten in my whole life. And there's one thing that I am so happy about, that because I got my credit on track these last 7 years, now I get all these type of offers that I never got just 7 years ago because my utilization was all over the place and all those different factors. And now I get offers all the time. It's insane. So you want to make sure that you are forging your relationships with your credit unions, with your banks, and also with your major credit card holders just to get awesome offers just like this. I won't throw out rates right now because their rates can range from anywhere from almost 6% all the way up to 19%. So it just depends on where your credit worthiness is. Mine fell at a middle of 10% for my loan, but my loan is only going to be for 2 years, and so I plan on paying it off as quickly as possible. But everybody is different, so you got to make sure that when you go in that you check all your terms and all those different things to make sure that you're getting the right term for you if you do decide to try to get this personal loan. And if they do offer it to you, you want to make sure that everything is conducive to your financial needs. So just in case you don't know exactly where to go at, if you do log into your dashboard, I'm going to leave the link to where the personal loans is right here down into the description box. And hopefully when you sign in, it will tell you to check your offer. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Or if you just want to let me know how I'm doing on the channel, I really do appreciate all the love. And if you want to look at some of my previous American Express videos, check them out right here or right here.